Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about YouTube automation step by step. This is a free course and we're going to cover finding a niche. We're going to look into how to find a niche, what you're going to do, which one is profitable, and we're going to create the videos. We're going to generate the scripts, we're going to generate the voiceovers, and then we're going to edit the videos completely for free. And then we're going to create the channel. The YouTube channel. Again, it's completely free, and then we're gonna put some animation, we're gonna put some art for the channel profile and the thumbnails, completely free. Then we're gonna upload these videos with the right settings and the right keywords so we can get some attraction. So let me show you something first. I came across this YouTube channel a while back. This is a completely faceless automation YouTube channel. Got like 4.5 million subscribers. We're gonna use the same concept. It's a very simple concept. It is stock footage, it is AI generated voiceovers, some simple editing. Let's check their oldest videos. Stock footage, AI, simple. Let's look at their latest videos. Same thing, stock footage, AI voiceovers, and then some settings here and there, and simple editing. If we go to their most popular videos, again, same concept, stock footage, same thing, over and over again. This is the key to YouTube automation success. Consistency. Just keep doing what you're doing. Tweak some stuff here and there, but keep doing what you're doing. Let's check this channel analytics. Let's go to Social Blade. So on Social Blade, it says they're pulling 15,000 a month. That's 15,000 from simple AI videos and some AI voiceovers. So let's dive into it. Let's find a niche. To find a niche, in my opinion, in my experience of doing this over the years, find a niche you are interested in. Let's say, for example, you are interested in finance or sports or business. Start a YouTube channel, automation YouTube channel in this niche. You're gonna have much more experience, you're gonna know the field, and if you are not sure which niche you're gonna pursue, you can always just go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. And by the way, everything I'm gonna mention, tools, prompts, everything is gonna be in the video description. So drop a like and then check the description out. Okay, give me 25 faceless YouTube channel niches. And you can make 50, you can make 100 niches, and just keep checking stuff. And let's see, we have the educational content, we have entertainment, mystery stories, movie reviews, and lifestyle, productivity, study and motivation, minimalism tips, life and hacks. And this can be applied on any niche. Just pick a niche and apply the same concept, but with your videos, with your scripts, and with your everything. So for me, I think I'm gonna choose for the sake of this video, self-improvement. For the script, I'm gonna for the niche I chose self-improvement. We're gonna create the script, and then we're gonna generate the voiceovers. We're gonna use 11 Labs, and then we're gonna get the stock footage. We're gonna use Pixabay. And then we're gonna edit everything with CapCut. Everything here is free. Of course, you can pay for it. There's pro accounts, but the free accounts are more than enough for you. Some of them I use free accounts, some of them I use paid, depends. But everything in here is free. The whole thing is free. So for the self-improvement, you can use the following prompt. Give me just the video script materials with other instructions and you choose your niche. You just write it down here. Again, everything is going to be in the video description. So we got this script, and I put expand to expand it. And of course, you're going to proofread everything, especially with AI, especially with ChatGPT. Don't just copy and paste, read everything, double check everything. This is important for you and for your channel. You take the first paragraphs and you head. This is the script we got from ChatGPT. I put the prompt to expand it and we got more stuff. Of course, you have to read proof everything and double check everything, especially with AI and ChatGPT. So we're gonna create the voiceovers now. So you copy some paragraphs, you go to 11 Labs. It's a free software. Of course, you can pay for it, but use it, try it. Maybe you're gonna like it, maybe not. For me, it's my main source of generating voiceovers. It's really good. And you're gonna copy here. And you can always check the voices here.
Just trust yourself. There is no greater harm than as we are liberated from.
For me, my favorite is Roger. So I'm gonna use Roger in here. It's already selected. And generate speed.
Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting on 3 things you're truly grateful for. It could be as simple as the fresh air you breathe, the roof over your head, or the people who support you. Gratitude trains your mind to focus on positivity and helps set the tone for a fulfilling day ahead. Plan your priorities instead of overwhelming yourself with endless to-do lists. Identify your top 3 most important tasks for the day. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll make steady progress on your goals and end your day with a sense of accomplishment.
And you can download it from here. When you double check and you like it, download it. Just download it. It's MP3. So the voiceovers are ready now. And you go to pixabay.com. It's free. It's stock footage. In my opinion, using stock footage is way more easier and you get much more better results and more consistent results than AI. I don't like creating videos from AI yet. It's not there yet. So, and you can find these stock footage for free and they are usually 4K and you can find them like in any niche you want. It's just a matter of like finding what's going to work for you on your videos. That's it. So you just go to videos. And because it's self-improvement, like in this niche of self-improvement, motivation, studying, we're gonna look for videos in this niche. Just look for stuff in here and see what you like. And the script we generated is about like meditation, gratitude, and we're gonna look for these type of videos. So you just wanna look for simple horizontal, like the aspect ratio is horizontal, not vertical. This is a good one. Let's download it. For now, I'm gonna download it like 1920 by 1080, but you can download like 4K. This one is good. This one is nice. Let's look for something else. Yeah, this is good. Let's download this one. And now that we have a few clips and we have the voiceover already, all we have to do is just put everything together and to create the video. And for that, we're gonna go to CapCut, and it's free. Just create an account. It's completely free. And again, everything I'm mentioning is gonna be in the video description, all the URLs, prompts, and everything. So you create the account, and then you're gonna create new, and then you're gonna create here YouTube 16 by 9. And then you're gonna upload the video. Sorry, we upload the materials, which is gonna be the voiceover here. And then we're gonna upload this one. And then we're gonna upload this one. And then we're gonna upload. We uploaded this one. Let's upload this one. And then let's upload this one. So let's take of course you're gonna listen to the voiceover and you're gonna match everything. You're gonna match the script with the stock footage. But just for the sake of this video, we're just gonna do it randomly. But of course you're gonna put more effort into it. Here, let's get the timeline. Yes. I'll leave this. Yes, like I say.
Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting on 3 things you're truly grateful for.
Nice. This is good. And one important thing, in my opinion, and one of the most powerful features in CapCut, it's captions. which is you go to captions here and auto caption, generate. Captions are really powerful, especially in today's world of content creation. And let's edit the style of the I like this one. I like the purple one. Yeah, let's check it.
Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting on 3 things you're truly grateful for. It could be as simple as the fresh air you breathe.
Let's say, for example, when he mentioned the fresh air, you go on, you look like for stock footage, reflecting someone breathing something, like fresh air or anything, just to reflect on the video, just to make it more reasonable. Just put some effort into it. I don't like these videos where people like just put some stuff together and they complain, oh, my videos didn't perform well. Well, you need to put some effort into it. Again, people are gonna watch these videos and they're gonna interact with these videos. You need some effort, especially if you're gonna generate these videos over and over and over again. Yeah. So let's say, for example, you like what you're seeing here and this is all good, and to export this video, you go to export and you hit download and it's 1080p, which is good enough. For me, I leave everything as is and just hit export. We found the niche and then we created the videos, we generated the script with ChatGPT, and then we created the voiceovers with 11 Labs, and then we edited the video with CapCut. This is all free. And the next step is to create the channel. To create the channel, you need a Google account. It's completely free. You just go and create a Google account, and then after you created your Google account, you go to YouTube, you view all channels, and then create a channel. And here we're gonna choose the channel's name. We haven't decided yet. We can always just go to ChatGPT and just give me, let's say, for example, 25 YouTube channel names. How about this niche? Oops. This is nice. Thrive and succeed, transform today, path to progress. This is good. For me, I'm gonna choose the daily shift. This is good. Let's check the username. Yeah, it's good enough. And create the channel. Let's check the video if it's done. Where is it? Yes, the video is done. Let's check the video.
Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting.
This is good. This is really good, especially the voiceovers, man. This is, the AI thing is insane. You go to Canva, just file, create new design, logo. Let's see. Canva is completely free. I like this. Let's take this. This video. Let's listen to. This is good. Go to share, download, and then download. Then you go back, and then you customize the channel here. Continue. Upload. The daily shift. Done. For the video description, you can always just go to ChatGPT and no, give me a YouTube channel description. Of course, you're gonna read it. You go here, and you put your email here or your social media. Sorry, you put your email here. You put your social media in here. You can always upload your watermark just in case. Might as well. And you hit publish. You go to create, upload video, and then you choose the video. Where is it? It's here. It's this video. You hit open and you wait. You need YouTube title. For YouTube title and for keyword research for YouTube, I always recommend using vidIQ. vidIQ is a free, of course they have paid subscription, but it's free. Let's go to keyword and let's check 5 daily habits. Matching terms, 5 daily habits to help you live, 5 daily habits to have a better studying life. Yeah, these are some good terms. Yeah, let's check this one. Of course, you're gonna dig deep and you're gonna find winning keywords and winning titles. This is just for the sake of the video. Yeah, this is good. You put your description here. You put the thumbnail. For the thumbnail, I'm not gonna make a thumbnail now. If you guys want like a separate video on how to create YouTube thumbnails completely for free with Canva, please let me know in the description. I can always explain it, just like my videos. I can always explain everything. And again, guys, if you are enjoying and you are gaining any knowledge, don't hesitate to ask me anything. Please drop a like. It's gonna help me a lot, and drop a subscribe. Again, thank you. And no, it's not made for kids. And next, no issues, next. You're gonna put it public, and then you hit publish, and that's it. And one thing I didn't mention, which was music, like background music. You can always add background music. Sometimes I don't use it in my videos, like in my other YouTube channels, my Faceless YouTube channels. I don't use background music. I find it very distracting for like people listening. And I found in my research, not using background music helps a lot with engagement for some reason. But if you want to add some background music, it's super easy. All you have to do is get back to CapCut, and you go to audio and just like looking for like, yeah, it's here, like piano. And just look for something, yeah, like this is good. You just add it here and just change the volume.
Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting on 3 things.
Yeah, good enough. And you export the thing. That's it. It's that simple. All you need is just to practice and practice and practice. It's that simple. So after you use the after you put everything together and you upload the video, and let's check if everything here. Yeah, it's here. The video description is here. Everything is here. Nice. Yeah. After you check everything, you upload everything. Rinse again, rinse and repeat. The key to YouTube automation is rinse and repeat. You keep always keep tweaking the videos, keep doing research, keep learning. This is the key thing. So this is it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys gained some knowledge and you learned something here and there. I'm happy to answer any questions, and I'm sorry if I didn't mention anything or I skipped a part. I'm sorry for that, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.